In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join community in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in and find the right community for your music interests so you can connect, share, and collaborate with other creators. First, open your web browser and head to bandlab.com. This is BandLab's homepage for making music online and exploring the social side of the platform. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see options to log in or create an account. To keep things quick, choose the option to continue with Google. This lets you sign in using your Google account instead of creating a new password. When the Google window appears, select the Google account you want to use. If you're prompted to review permissions, click Continue to proceed. You might also be asked for two-factor authentication if you've enabled it on your Google account. Just follow the on-screen steps and you'll be taken back to BandLab. Once you're signed in, look toward the navigation to find communities. Click that to open the communities feed. This page highlights what's happening across different groups on BandLab. Front and center, you'll see posts from various communities, things like new tracks, discussions, and collaborations. On the right side, you'll find trending communities, which is a great place to discover active groups you might enjoy. Take a moment to browse. You can click into a community to get a feel for its vibe. Check the recent posts, see what genres or topics are being discussed, and read a short description if available. This helps you join communities that match your interests, whether that's hip-hop, electronic, rock, singer-songwriter, production tips, or mixing and mastering. When you find a community you want to be part of, look for the Join button next to its name. Click Join. In most cases, you'll be added instantly. Occasionally, a community might require approval from an admin. If so, your request will be pending until it's accepted. After you join, you'll start seeing more posts from that community in your feed, and you can participate by commenting, sharing your tracks, or starting conversations. It's also a good idea to glance at any posted guidelines so your contributions are on topic and helpful. That's all there is to it. Go to BandLab, sign in with Google, open communities, explore what's trending or interesting to you, and click. Join next to the group you want. If you change your mind later, you can always leave a community from its page. Thanks for watching. If this helped, dive in and introduce yourself. Your next collaborator could be waiting in your new BandLab community.